Introduction of production line software. In terms of software, the production line procedures are independently developed, incorporating the latest control system, and equipped with a high-speed bus communication system. Each individual machine is equipped with Ethernet communication and utilizes an imported industrial-grade HSYV cable. The main control screen features a 15-inch high-resolution Internet of Things display and 9-section efficient communication collection temperature control system. Additionally, there is a real-time monitoring system for host status that enables the following functions. 1. Intelligent sequence control with a user-friendly interface to reduce the probability of misoperation. 2. Intuitive display of real-time status indicators for each individual machine. 3. Data collection and historical trend graphs management to allow clients to track production situations and analyze areas for improvement, such as temperature, power consumption, formulae, finished products, etc. 4. Support for Wi-Fi access, cloud data collection, real-time monitoring through mobile apps, and statistical analysis of production data. 5. VPN penetration function allowing remote upgrades without requiring personnel on-site visits. 6. Visual positioning one-click synchronization feature simplifies complex operations, such as the punching pictures change with the knife. Intelligent synchronous control ensures accuracy by matching photo shooting with corresponding knife codes. Troubleshooting becomes more streamlined. 7. The production line's operation interface can be set up in multiple languages including Chinese English, Chinese Russian, Chinese Arabic and Chinese Korean, etc. The upgraded production line has a capacity to screen 3,600 pieces of dripper per minute and punch 6,000 holes per minute, making it particularly suitable for producing dual-hole drip irrigation pipe with small spacing.